How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Investing with Edwin. Today we're going to be talking about the stock market. So what is the stock market? It's basically a virtual market which allows you to buy pieces of public companies within the United States and the world. So in order to buy a stock in the stock market, we have to use this tool which is called the stock chart. Now the stock chart is kind of like a profile of a specific company which allows you to see the revenue, the sales, and how the stock is doing overall within the stock market. It's very cool, and we're going to be using this tool using Google Finance. I'm looking at Apple Inc. here. If I wanted to buy one single stock of Apple Inc., I'd have to pay $135.37 because that is the current valuation the stock is at. As you can see right here, Apple Inc. went up 0.18% or 24 cents throughout the day. This chart, known as the trending line, allows you to understand how the stock moves throughout the day. As you can see, at the beginning of the stock market day, it opened at about $134.28, and throughout the day, it ended up at $135.34. Now, you can see that there's this gray line right here. What does that mean? The gray part represents the after hours in the stock market. So although the stock market closes around 4 p.m. Eastern Time or 1 p.m. Pacific, the valuation of the stock still continues to move, but not as frequently, or not as many people trade in after hours than they do during the regular stock market hours. Now this is the top part of the stock chart, but as you scroll down, you can see that there's two notable things: key stats and in the news. News is important for stocks because if good news comes out, it is likely that more people will buy the stock and more people will invest in the company. Key stats, it gives you basic information of the company's stock. For example, market cap shows the valuation of the company. As you can see here, Apple has 2.27 trillion US dollars. Volume is also notably important because it shows you how many people are buying and selling, trading this stock. Dividend yield is pretty cool because it essentially means, hey, if you buy my stock, we'll pay you. So if I buy one stock of Apple, it means that I'll get back 0.61% of the stock price. This is really cool because if you buy more than one Apple stock, your dividend yield, or the amount that you'll get paid, increases. The most important thing for you is going to be to continue to research, to continue to grow, and to continue to learn. These are the things that you're going to need to become a successful investor. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on that notification button, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.